Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is Thursday, December 11, 2014. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts here. We'll start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures have caught a pretty good little bid here. They're now trading up about 7 3/4 points to right around the 20.34 1/4 level per contract. So we'll see how this market plays out today. Market really had a big major sell-off day yesterday. The S&P 500 finishing down about 33.5 points. That's a big move. NASDAQ yesterday was down 82 points. So all in all, it was a bloodbath of a session yesterday, but we'll see if the markets can do their normal recovery. One thing I think traders want to watch today very closely will be the dollar-yen. I talked about it yesterday, and I'm going to talk about it again. Dollar-yen is really the most important currency pair that you could follow. When dollar-yen moves lower, stock market moves lower. When dollar-yen gets a bid and moves higher, stock market moves higher. So again, keep that on the radar, front and center. Probably the most important currency pair to watch, especially once the market opens in the U.S. So again, whatever happens in a dollar-yen overnight really is not a big deal because the U.S. markets are not open. Once the U.S. markets open, then the market really cares about what the dollar-yen is doing. So keep that on the radar. Dollar-yen up, market up. Dollar-yen down, market down. Looking over a few other things here, futures again are starting to climb a little bit more, showing some pretty resilient strength, at least at the start of today's trading session, and we'll see how that plays out. But we have a lot of stocks in the news today. First one we're going to start off with is Restoration Hardware. Ticker symbol is RH. If you own this stock, it's having a great pop today. Closed at 86.18, trading at 91.50 now. Trail the stop loss. It is overbought on the daily chart now, getting very extended. But it's a strong move, good move. You don't want to. What you really want to do is here trail your stop loss. If you do not own it, do not buy it up here. That's the bottom line. You want to leave it alone. But if you do own it, you just trail your stop loss. Let the stock play out. Again, put a stop somewhere nicely in the money where you're comfortable and let it ride. I don't know if there's a lot of upside. In fact, I don't think there is. But nonetheless, it is a strong move, and you want to respect it and give it a chance to move higher. And it is, playing out at least to the upside this morning. So we'll see how that shakes out. We're going to watch Lululemon today. This is going to be in play. Stock right now is trading at 46.28. Did trade below this 44 level briefly a little while ago. So we're going to keep this one on the radar. I'm going to have some levels for Lululemon today. We will be looking to play this one in the intraday stock chat. If you want to trade this with us, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial. It's been a great couple of trading days with scalp trades. So come on over to the chat room, and you'll see everything that we're doing each and every morning. Some other stocks that are in play today, Staples. SPLS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading higher. There looks to be some news coming out right now that there's an activist investor taking a stake in Staples. Stock is trading at $16.39, closed at $14.81. So that's a huge move. You want to respect the move that we're seeing there. The one thing I will say for Staples, the stock has a ton of resistance at $17.16. So give it the upside bias for now. Trail your stop loss if you're involved in it. An activist investor is getting involved in this company. Also, he's getting involved in OPD, which is ODP, which is Office Depot. Looking for a potential merger between the two. That's the thought process there. You're going to see this stock was trading at $6.72, now trading at $7.57. So either one of these, I would not be buying up here, Staples or Office Depot, on this news. But if you own them, you just trail your stop loss and see if these activist investors can make some magic happen with the merger or something like that. But generally, they're both overbought at the moment. Let's take a look at Walmart. Walmart could be under some pressure today, potentially. It's going to be a stock that's moving around. There could be some trading done. Walmart right now is, I believe, a report came out of Bloomberg saying that their China numbers are false, and they were embellishing them a little bit. Either way, we don't even care. What we care about, can we make money trading the stock? So right off the bat, I'm seeing a big support level for Walmart right around the $78 level, $78.10. So if the stock by some chance trades down there, that's definitely a good buy level. Other than that, there will be some other levels, and we'll have those up in the intraday stock chat today to trade Walmart. But the stock could be in play today. I think it's going to be in play today. Right now it's trading at $83. This is basically where it closed, so no big deal there. But we do have some other levels a little bit lower once the market opens. So Walmart will be a stock that can be day traded today. It should have some volatility in it, and that's what we look for as traders. Next up, we're going to take a look at eBay. eBay could also be in play today. Stock is trading at $55.50. I'm going to give eBay an upside bias here to $56.50. And it's not a lot higher. It's about $1 higher today. This stock could be on the move. They are they are announcing that they're going to lay off a couple thousand people once they spin off the PayPal unit. So just be aware of that. Layoffs are coming at eBay, and generally, I hate to say it, but layoffs in Wall Street are usually good for the stock So again, that's how it works. Unfortunately, that's the way it is, but people lose their jobs and stock goes higher. So again, eBay trading up a little bit this morning. I think it could trade up to $56.50. That's where the stock, though, in my opinion, hits a wall of resistance. So just be aware of that on eBay. A couple of other things I want to talk about quickly regarding the markets right now is if you take a look at gold today, gold is trading down $9.70. So again, gold hit a little bit of a wall the other day on that big surge. Let's take a look at the GLD this morning. GLD right now is trading at 117.60. Again, if dollar yen moves lower, gold will most likely come off the lows. But if dollar yen stays strong or moves higher, then most likely gold could pull back maybe a little bit more, or maybe just stay in the same range. But I don't see a lot of upside for gold today. At least I don't expect that. Let's take a look at the crude market. Crude oil futures are trading down by 45 cents, right to around $60.50 a barrel. So big level there at $60. There is a lot of crude support at $60. So contrary to what everybody believes or everybody thinks, yeah, maybe crude goes a little bit lower, but I think there's a lot of support here at $60. So again, I don't really expect crude to go all that much lower, but you never know. Sometimes things will overshoot, especially in a volatile environment. But I'm not expecting really crude to go much lower than 60, at least not today. If you take a look at the USO, what you'll see here is that this is trading a bit lower. There really isn't much of a play here. But either way, I don't really expect it to go down much more from this stage of the game. Looking over at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, futures are now trading up by about 7 points. Let's see how this market plays out today. It's going to be an important day. I'd love to see a little bit more volatility to give us some more opportunities on the day trading front. But either way you slice it or dice it, let's take it slow, let's take it steady, but let's trade the charts, and we'll trade whatever the charts tell us to do. That's what you want to do as a trader. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.